Fiberizer Cloud-based fiber optic data analysis, brought to you by VeEX. Hi, I'm Cassie Haley for BTTV. Embracing the trend towards cloud-enabled test and measurement, Fiberizer Cloud revolutionizes the way fiber operators and contractors utilize their test data. This secure online repository manages and analyzes OTDR traces, loss tester results, and FiberScope images with browser-based convenience. VeEX testers embed powerful applications to upload test data directly from the instrument using wired or wireless access. Around-the-clock availability enables dependable test reporting and proactive problem identification anywhere, anytime. OTDR traces can be saved in custom collections, compared with other fibers, and analyzed using advanced measurement modes. Attenuation results can be archived and correlated with OTDR data, including bidirectional trace analysis. FiberScope images can be referenced in the event of system failure, and professional PDF reports can be generated. Fiberizer Cloud operates with Fiberizer mobile and desktop versions, optimized for mobile devices and PCs. To unlock the power of your fiber optic test data, think no further than VeEX. To learn more, visit www.VeEXinc.com and see solutions from VeEX up close in booth 247 at the SCTE Cable Tech Expo.